Growth by definition involves some discomfort. When you do jobs on autopilot, you know you've stopped growing. Growth involves pushing boundaries and exploring new territory. Embrace it. It's what moves you and your organization forward. And I'm not going to lie to you, delegation is growth, and delegation is probably going to involve some discomfort for you. Ask yourself this: when's the last time you did a job that made you feel nervous or uncomfortable? You see, your team just follows your growth attitude. The behaviors of your team are simply a reflection of you and your attitudes. How many times have I said to business leaders, your business is just a reflection of you, personally, for good and bad. So if you want to see your team members show a willingness to grow, you must lead the way and embrace growth yourself. You must improve, because when the leader gets better, everyone else wins, because they're just going to follow your example. So the first thing you have to ask yourself is, do you want to grow? Do you want to improve your skill set? Because as I said, delegation is going to require some growth and probably some discomfort on your part. There's one simple and inescapable truth about leadership, and it's just this: your business or department is just a reflection of you and you personally. Think about it. The area that you have leadership over is just a reflection of your personal strengths and weaknesses. The things that you hate about your business reflect you personally. The things that you love about your business reflects you personally. If you have lots of ideas but you lack structure and you find it difficult to hold others accountable, that reflects your personality style, your strengths and weaknesses. Soon, your company or department will reflect your personal style. Customers may feel warmth from your team, but wish that you'd provided better execution. If you are very organized and structured but lack that personal touch, your business or department will reflect that too. Customers may appreciate your very structured approach, but sense that the business feels cold. They may feel that your business doesn't care personally about helping them solve their problems. Part of the reason for this is that you will tend to hire people that are like you, so they too will reflect your style. The other reason is that people always follow the example of their leader, and soon they'll be trying to make you happy by copying your style. The point is that for your business or department to improve, you personally must grow, because your team will always reflect you for both good and bad. When you improve, the entire team will get better. And that's one major reason that delegation is so important. It forces you to get better, and it opens up opportunity for others around you. Now, we all know that we're capable of a whole lot more than other people think we are, including our own leaders. We know that if we're really put to the test, we can come up with a lot more, and we can dig deeper, and we can find another gear. And that's true about your team members too. Many employees work at about 60% capacity, and that's there for you to tap into as their leader. For you to move up, you have to be able to give tasks to other people, and you need to learn to delegate. I think of Michael Jordan, whose coach told him, he had tremendous ambition, he was a great player, he was a personal performer, he had lots of skills, but he said this to him. He said, you know what, if you want to be a superstar, you're going to have to learn to make other people stars. You can't be a superstar unless you're surrounded by stars and you've helped make them into stars. And that's what you need to do too. No leader can succeed without learning strong delegation skills. I remember early in my career, one of my early mentors said, if you want to get anywhere in your career, you better learn to build other people, because you're not going to get far unless you can do that. And it's time to get serious about relieving your own stress. If you're like a lot of business leaders that I know and clients that I work with, sometimes you feel like the weight of the world is on your shoulders, don't you? You feel like you're the only one pushing this massive rock up a hill, and as soon as you stop pushing, the rock is going to go backwards and it's going to roll right over you and roll all the way down the hill. And that can be a really heavy burden to bear. Delegation is going to help you with that, because it's going to help other people carry the load and start to shoulder that burden along with you.